Welcome! This video will demonstrate how to look up a specific journal using the ICC Library main search. Beginning at icc.edu/library, go down to the search bar and open the Advanced Search link. At the top of the screen, you will see a button for Journal Search. Type in the name of the journal you are looking for. If you see the journal in your search results, select the title. Most of our journals are available online. Journals have the option to search for articles within the journal using keywords, and they have the option for full text availability. You'll notice that there are dates listed of what journal articles are available. For example, this journal is available from 1980, but the most recent 3 months are not available. When you're ready to read the journal articles, select one of the links under Full Text Availability. Once you have selected an option to read the journal, the interface may look different depending on which database the journal is in. There will usually be an option to search within the journal and an option to browse by date or issue number. This has been how to search for a specific journal from the ICC Library. Thank you.